gives me the details about the workload automation. Probably the slide is coming up. It's a bit slow. I'm sorry for that, but anyway, it's coming up. So fine. So it is the workload. The added job management application platform actually enhances and extends ERP in many ways. So how we actually, this is what we see, what are the advantages, this is what are the advantages out here, and for the workload automation. We schedule the workloads, include we actually, here if you see, I was just talking about what we actually do out here is we include multiple instances as well, ERP instances as well as non-ERP applications from a single point of control, and this enabling us to automate within, around, and beyond ERP. This is the biggest advantage. So we are not limited to the ERP applications. We also can schedule the multiple instances, parallel processing for integrated between ERP and non-ERP applications running in your organization. And again, the another advantage, run multiple ERP instances and processes in sequence and in parallel, reducing job execution time. So specifically, we can run multiple ERP instances and processes. So this is a parallel processing which is coming up, which is very efficiently managed by this workload automation or a job management application platform. I'll just give you some example. There is also another example. There's another question that's coming up. This is also relevant. What type of software, non-ERP, can I integrate to SAP B1? Can you give some example? Okay, I will request Mr. Vijay, I think, but I can see, just keep your question on hold for a specific, for some time, because I will have a specific example which gives you around the details about this. But to actually give you an example, it has a comprehensive cross-platform support including Unix, Linux, J2EE, ZOS, BS2000, HP 3000, HP NSK, Windows Server, OS 400, and lot more. This is a very specific example. It is it can link with SAP, PeopleSoft, JD Edwards. So suppose, for example, you have a SAP application running and it sends data to maybe another ERP application in JD Edwards. You can manage the jobs for JD Edwards and SAP from a single window. That is the whole clear message. So this is the advantage of a job management application when you are using in your organization. Hope I'm able to give you an example and this clarifies your doubt. Okay, and there is another one. What we can see is dynamically set ERP variants, enabling us to fully automate the ERP processes. That is what I just told, that there can be 3 different ERP applications running in your organization. One is running JD Edwards, somebody is running PeopleSoft, and maybe another location is running SAP. And you want a single window of operation of managing the job, so you can manage it from this job application platform, automating in a single window for all these 3 ERP applications. And you can add on non-ERP applications as well. So when we move into the next slide, this also gives you